Just got your favorite game's disc and want to know how to install it correctly? Then let's go ahead and see how to install and play any disc games on your Xbox One console. Let's take out our disc. We have a copy of Halo 5. If you pull it from the sides, you'll have a hard time opening it. Just press in the middle and it will come off easily. Make sure that the disc is clean and keep the label upwards and just gently push it in the drive. We forgot that we already have a disc inside, so let's take it out first. Now let's insert it. You just need to put in a little bit and then the console will pull it in automatically. Wait until the game's icon appears and it will start installing right away. You may get a pop-up saying that the game needs an update. You need to accept it, which means the actual game file needs to be downloaded, so the discs themselves just work as a key. Now if we open the game, you'll see it's installing. And there will also be a disk icon. You need to keep it inserted during the whole installation process. Or else the installation will stop, and when you put the disk again, it will resume right from where it left. The installation time depends on your network, but as will take a bit of time to install, we'll just demonstrate it with another game that we have already installed. So to play a different disk game, you first need to take out the disk that's already inserted and then put the other one in. And don't worry, as I said earlier, your installation won't cancel. It will take a bit of time to scan the disk and the game will start after that. But remember that while you are playing, you need to keep the disk inserted at all times. If you take it out mid-game, the game will close instantly and it will show a prompt to insert the disk again. That's all you need to know about installing and playing games on your Xbox from a disc. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.